Shalom, Israel. Alright, so Queen Elizabeth is dead. See? And unfortunately, our government, you know what I mean, showing who they really, you know what I mean, serve, is now commanding the entire nation to mourn for Queen Elizabeth. You understand? This is an Observer article and it said, Day of mourning of Queen's death to be observed in Jamaica on September the 18th. You understand? Which goes to show you that, you know what I mean, like we have always said in ISUPK Jamaica. You know what I mean? Your government is not your government. This is who they belong to. Many people have not even gotten the message yet that Queen Elizabeth is dead. But there is already an Observer article, you know what I mean, saying that you should mourn for her. And it goes on to say, during the period of mourning, it is the customary recommendation that no celebratory activity should take place. So you can't even celebrate. You understand? You can't even keep your party. Let me continue to read.